We're here. It's day number something, Sunday morning, Park City, Utah. We're at the Hyatt something, Eccentric. I don't know, it's eccentric. And a lot of people here. We got Kyle over here with 1320.
Shut up.
We're about to load up all these cars and start them up. Now, I got someone to start mine so I can video it. And here we go. James, you ready for the cold start the dawn, bruh? Don't be scared.
You didn't hear anything. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wake up, Park City! This is awesome. That freaking 812, dude. That 812 Supercars is sick. Oh, someone knocked over my drink. No! What's on the inside of this? You hear it like over the top of these are more lower. That was way higher. Steve, that was awesome.
Steve's the man. Steve's the legend.
What happened to yours?
Oh, I kind of
You hit a little fart.
pre-started.
You had a little fart.
I pre-started.
Hey, we have something sad.
I didn't know we were going on 1 or on 0.
We have something sad to report.
What's that?
There's a Lambro down.
Yeah, I seen that. Not for long. It's just a tire. Expect the management.
Bro, what happened?
I hit a big asshole.
Ah.
And so now they're both
No
bad.
tire?
None.
So,
Nowhere.
which?
Now
both
they're
right
bad.
side?
Both bad. Both fronts are bad.
Oh
So
no.
they won't maintain a bead.
So, there's not like a hole in them? They just won't keep the bead?
No, they won't keep the bead. The inside edge on that one's just gone, completely trashed. But
Oh no.
yeah. So
Okay, I got a tip for you.
what's that?
You can order these with a higher ratio,
Higher ratio.
and it'll give you a little bit more sidewall.
Right.
I'm doing it for real. If you do 20s, you can go onto Pirelli's website or to Michelin's, and you can compare
Right.
how much the sidewall is.
And if I go any larger, the front diff gets all crazy.
Oh dang!
So this is it.
Guys, this is like a beautiful Gallardo. It's so beautiful, but now it's broken down. So, what do you do? What do you do? You rent a car, a Tahoe, and a U-Haul, and you take your baby home, right? Hey, when you got a Lambo, you got to be resourceful. We have tire problems a lot. So, all right, we're headed to Vegas. Bros, it's time to go, but first, check out James' sticker package. I was worried he might be around. Good, he's not around. He'll see this when he watches this video because he watches them all. And look, we got confettied by Cheeto, so not good. We'll be back. Okay, Lambros, we just left the hotel. We just got gas. Now we're on the road. Half of the crew, more like the crew, got stopped at the light back there. So I'm rolling with the Ferrari and a little Audi A7 and another Huracan Performante up there. So check out this white Ferrari though. It's actually pretty sick. It sounds pretty freaking hot. Yeah, if you ask me. So we're heading down to a place called Cedar City, which is about a couple hours from where we're at now. That's our first stop for lunch, and then from there on to Vegas, and we may stop at Zion National Forest, which will be pretty hot, but actually a pretty sweet Ferrari. So James is somewhere in the back. I'm sure we'll find him because he'll find the police. So we'll be back. Made it to our first stop, unplanned stop, because you had to get a shot of this beautiful mountain in the background. So all the cars are lined up, and all the cops are lined up back there. Oh look, everybody's coming. This is a total unplanned stop with the crew. We just rolled in here because it was really pretty. So I am about to roll out, and then everyone will have to catch me. Catch me if you can. Peeps, we just hit a little bitty tunnel. Let's hear what this Performante sounds like. Woo! Where there's one tunnel, there may be more tunnels. The last time on this rally I went through a tunnel, I got pulled over. So hopefully that won't happen again, but everybody's getting their tires warmed up. Mine are at 90 basically, and we're heading through some of the most beautiful area of the country, and it looks good, but I better focus on driving. Later.